Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. Right now we're gonna go and get a wheel seal for the Duster. That's all it's lacking. It's leaking at this wheel right here. Then we can go and do some burnouts and stuff with the car. For right now we're gonna go hop in the Miata, go down Napa and try to get some parts. But look at this. They paved my road. How beautiful is that? Check that out. Alright guys, so let's hop in the Miata right now and let's get going. Hell yeah. Woo! This man, for a quarter mile, has been doing 15 miles an hour. You know, it's usually okay, but I'm in a hurry to get some parts. They get that wheel seal. He's turning. I know what way I'm going. Just made it to Napa. Let's go get the parts. Hell yeah. Alright everyone, just got the seal, so let's see what we can get done today. It's gonna be my first time doing this, so let's try to get it good. Looks like it's gonna rain, but hopefully not. They get some work done. If it does, we may be at a standstill. This may happen tomorrow morning. I mean, really, this road is magnificent. It's so beautiful. I mean, oh my goodness. Thank you guys, whoever paved this. It's a blessing. It's so much better. I can't wait to do the first donut and burnout on it. Let's get it done. Alright everybody, welcome back today. I'm sorry for all the cars going by out here on this beautiful new road. Alright, we're back today. Yesterday was a wash. Rained all day long. So, here we are today. Got Duster here. And this wheel seal's leaky. And we're about to fix it. Got the Miata in the shop. But we're out here. And I don't care what. We're going to do some burnouts today. I got work in a bit. We're gonna try to get it done before then. So stick with me and let's get it done. Got the lug nuts loose. Trying to get them all off right now. It's we're about 2 minutes in. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna say that my brakes probably wouldn't have worked, because this is the brake shoe and your brakes aren't supposed to be lubricated like this. Just gonna tell everyone that. So yeah, it's all on here. Alright, let's get it apart. Gotta do some of these bolts back in here and then we should be able to pull the axle out. Alright, all the bolts are pulled out of the back side of the axle now, and before I pulled that out, I thought maybe I should go get a pan to drain this in, because I think it's going to make a mess. So, I went and found this pan. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty metallic-y. Whatever was in this thing was on its way out. It's starting to get there. Lots of it I drained out. But like the little flakes, like this isn't Gold Rush. This is your car. Come on, people. Alright, let's get her drained. What else is holding this thing in there? Well, this thing's been being a pain right in the buttocks. So, been reefing on it, can't get it to like pop out here, so 1/2" fine thread that's going on there, and I'm gonna use the puller. We're gonna yank her out one way or another. It's coming off. This seal was being a damn asshole, but it was in there like that, and I had to do it off camera because I was starting to get frustrated and it's kind of hard to record and everything. So I hooked this in there and I put the slide hammer on it and just moved this around the edge of the seal inside there until I slowly drew the thing out, and it came out like a rocket. Where'd it go? Where'd I set it? Oh, I set it right in there. But here's the seal, a little beat up from my exercise I did with it, and here's the spring that used to be in it. So now I have to go find something that fits snugly around the outside of this other seal, and I'll drive it back into that lip there. Hell yeah, we're doing good today. It was being a pain, but now we're getting somewhere. So let's go get the new seal. So all this traffic, I'm gonna go and take this seal, this big socket, I'm gonna line it up like that, hopefully not crease in the center here, and I'm gonna use the hammer, the soft hammer, and drive down to this, try to put the seal in. But first, let's go and put some wheel bearing grease in the inside of the seal here to make sure that little tiny spring in there doesn't slip out of there. Pack it with some grease here. New seal is in. Just brake clean some, so they clean it up, rough up these shoes so with some sandpaper. They're ready to throw a tire on and get going. Now, I understand that last clip may have been confusing. I had to go to work and I just came back and I forgot to get the video of me driving the seal in. But now it's in and we're ready to go. Alright everybody, let's take it for a test run now. First test run, just fix the rear end on the car. So now we don't have a leak, so let's go, let's test it. So far, so good. Bright. I think this is the end of the video today, guys. Did the burnout. That's the ultimate stress test. I tell you what, never fails to fail. But we did a good burnout, and until next time, catch you later.